Hey guys, got a market update for you, so let's just dive right into it. But before we do, there was the cutest little girl here yesterday. I'm not sure exactly who she belonged to, but I do believe this might be her art, so we'll preserve that for a little bit. The number of sales are down, month over month here, May, June, July, and so are the number of listings. A lot of that is just due to the time of year. I mean, the weather's been beautiful here, and of course people are on vacation and they're just out and about, and their priorities are kind of changing a little bit. More important number to look at maybe is the total active listings on the market compared to the sales. So as the total listings grow and the number of sales decrease, that's when we're going to see more changes in the market and in pricing, right? So, if those two numbers are moving closer together, then, more than likely there's going to be some upward pressure on prices. Talking about prices, apartments, your condos compared to last month, 0.5% down, very slightly, but still up quite a bit compared to this time last year. The same with attached properties, still up quite a bit compared to this time last year. The only real outlier is the single family homes, which are down since last month, just a tiny bit, right? And since 2017, July 2017, they were down 1.5%. So that's the biggest change. Where I'm seeing the most opportunities right now are for buyers. I think buyers should be out there looking at properties. They do have the luxury to wait. They don't have to pounce, but if you see that right property, pounce on it. There's a good chance you won't be competing for it. You'll be able to write an offer with conditions and just have a bit of a smoother, less stress process, right? Having said that, we always see multiple offers, so things still happen, so just act accordingly given the circumstances, right? Also with investors, as prices are leveling and even declining in some areas, there could be some good buys for an investor out there because the rental income is not changing, right? So the rent that you're going to get for the property is still quite high. So that's also good for investors. So if you're thinking about investing, keep your eyes peeled, get out there, start looking, right? And as for sellers, this isn't like doom and gloom for you either. I've put a couple listings into contract in the last few weeks, and we were generating offers first weekend and the second week. So things are still happening. So if a property is marketed well and presented well, there are going to be buyers out there. So as always, if you have any questions about what's going on in the market as it pertains to your neighborhood and your specific property type, call, text, email. I'm easy to find, right? And that's really about it. So enjoy your summer, and we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.